Hi everyone, Mark from Go Fast Hobbies and Raceway here with you on another Throwback Thursday. Today, we're going to talk about the JRX2 Proformance kit that later became the JRX Pro. We're going to open this JRX2 Performance kit up, which originally cost $99.99 hobby shop back in the late 80s. This kit, it did come with this motor, the Junior's Choice, and it is missing the motor, but all the other pieces are in there that would have came in the kit. There was also, some of these boxes had the Performance was misspelled on them. This is a later box. They corrected that on the later run. Box is pretty rough. It's all there, but not in the greatest of shape, as you can see in the photos. Pretty hard to find though. Haven't seen too many of these come available. So inside it came with the JRX Pro body, which they went away from the 5-link suspension at this point in time. It comes with a bag of parts basically. Comes with front shocks, shock bodies, the springs, front shock tower, comes with the H-arms, which is hard to see here. I'll actually zoom in on that stuff there so you guys can kind of get a view of it. Trying to kind of document this stuff. I see a lot of posts on a lot of the groups about what actually came in the kits, what was different. So that's why we're trying to put a lot of this stuff together so you guys can see how these kits actually came. So we'll move on. Came with the manual. Really not too much there. Kind of look at it here. Talks about the rear shock tower, removing the front lip off their front bulkhead, and then putting the H-arms on, taking the 5-link suspension off. Going to more of a standard, more modern what we have today. So, close that up. Has the parts breakdowns, but essentially what is in there with some extra stuff. And then the big one, chassis plate. The original JRX2 chassis plate was a 20-degree kick-up plate. This is a 30-degree kick-up plate. There were a lot of different variations of this stuff. This is the white core. There were some that were solid core that has more like a foam core or fiberglass core. But yeah, this is how they came. Back in the day, was a great upgrade for a JRX2 to go to the JRX Pro. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my videos. Like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next Throwback Thursday.